blessing and mercy of God be upon you. Today we'll complete solving computer science, paper 3, AL, October, November 2023, variant 1. In the previous two videos, we solved from 1 up to 8. Today we'll solve the rest of questions, starting from number 9. Write the infix expression for the reverse Polish notation, RPN expression. Here we have the reverse as we get used, the reverse. So we'll move up to find the operator and then move the operator. So this will be 5 minus 2 and then move to the next operator, which is 5 plus 4, and then this operator between them, and then divided by 9. Show how the content of the following stack will change as RPN expression in part AI is evaluated. So we'll put the first 5, then put the first 2, the 2, so it will be 5 and 2. Then the operator will be minus, so 5 minus 2 will be 3. Then we will push, sorry, we don't put, we will push the 5 and then push the 4, so it will be 3, 5, 4, and then the operator will be plus, so we'll add the next the last 2 elements, so it will be 3 and 9. Then multiplication, so we'll multiply 3 by 9, it will be 27. Then we will push 9, so it will be 27 and 9. Then the division will be divided, so it will be 3, and that's it. Explain how a stack can be used to evaluate RPN expression. So RPN evaluation or reverse Polish notation evaluation used from left to right. I just explained what I just did in the previous step. By pushing each element until find the operator, then the operator is obtained to the last 2 elements and the result assigned in the stack and repeat these actions until all expression is evaluated. Okay. Number 10, we'll continue with stack 2. Okay, a stack is to be set up using information in the table. We have the identifier base pointer as an integer point to the bottom of the stack. Top pointer integer points to the top of the stack, and stack is a one-dimensional array to implement a stack. A constant with identifier capacity limits the size of the stack to 25 items. Write the pseudocode for the required declaration. Okay, we declare the constant by name it as a constant with the name capacity with the size equal 25. This is the constant. The three declaration, we will declare the first element, base pointer, with the type integer, and we will declare the variable top pointer with the type integer, and we will declare the stack with the type array with size from 1 up to 25 of data type real. Okay. Complete the pseudocode function pop. In the pop, we decrement the top pointer and take the element from the stack and put it as an item. Okay. To pop item from the stack. Popping an item from the stack, function pop, as it is a function, it have to be returned. And then we return the data type, which will be have to be returned here. Okay, it will be returned the real as the content of the stack will be real. So it will returns real. Declare item real, item assigned by 0. So the top pointer content will be checked to be to see if we have elements in the stack or not. So if top pointer greater than or equal base pointer, to be sure that we have an element in the stack, then we'll put this stack content in this pointer to into the item. So item will be assigned with stack where the top pointer points, and then decrement the top pointer. So top pointer will be assigned with top pointer -1. Else output will stack is empty or error message, and then we will return the item. Return item. Okay. Number C, compare and contrast. So we have to type similarities and differences. Compare and contrast the queue and stack abstract data types. Okay, similarities. Both are an abstract data types with vary in size. Okay, differences. The queue structure or the queue use the first in, first out structure, whereas the stack use the last in first out structure. The queue use the commands in queue and DQ for insert and delete from the queue, whereas stack use push and pop commands to insert and delete from the stack. Okay. Number 11, a declarative programming language is used to represent subjects that students can choose to study. So declarative here, we just remember the dictionaries. Students must choose two subjects. We have subject, subjects, subjects, and then after that, we have here 8 subjects, and then student with those names. And the choice one declared by the student and the subject. Student two, choice two, student and subject. Okay, that's the declarative. These clauses have the meaning. 01, mathematics is subject. 09, Thomas is student. 15, Thomas has chosen mathematics as his first choice. 20, Thomas has chosen computer science as second. This is the second subject, and this is the first. This like this first subject. Okay. Anthony is a student who would like to study history and geography. Write additional clauses to represent this information. Okay. Firstly, we will declare the student. So student Anthony. And then choice one and choice two. So choice one will be Anthony, comma, the first subject, which is history. And choice two will be the student Anthony as and the subject geography. Using the variable x, the goal, choice one, x of chemistry. Students who choose the chemistry will return Teresa and Elsa's or Elspeth, Elizabeth, sorry. That means the students who choose the chemistry. So write the result returned by the goal. Choice one, X and mathematics. So we'll go to choice one. These are choice one. We choose mathematics. 3, Thomas, Peter, and Nick. Okay. So the output will be X equal Thomas, comma, Peter, comma, Nick. Student must choose two different subjects such as N may choose S if N is a student and S is a subject, and N is not chosen as N the first choice, as the first choice. Write this rule, okay, may choose subject N S if, like he write here, if student of N and subject of S and not choice one of N, comma S, student and subject. And that's it. Number 12, artificial neural network has played a significant role in the development of machine learning. Explain what it means the artificial neural network. Okay, we know that artificial neural network is a branch of AI which have a hidden layers and more layers, hidden layers will give me more accurate results. So we can say an artificial intelligent and artificial neural network is the component of artificial intelligence that mean that or that sub that means to simulate the brain functions using nodes in layers, input layers and hidden layers and output layer. The nodes weight are assigned and adjusted through trained modules. More hidden layers means more accurate results and more complex learning capabilities. And that's it. This is the end of the exam. Thanks for watching. See you next video.